Good morning. Do you want to go for a walk? Come on. Are you ready? He says he wants to go outside. Mom always puts this on you so tight. There you go. Finny already knows where he's going. Okay, Finny is set to go. This is his spot. He just knows what to do. Now I'm gonna get Wolfie in here. Wolfie, come on up. Come on. Good boy. We really need a stroller that has more room, but we make it work. Put your head through there. Good girl. Thank you. Okay, now she's all set to go. Bismillah, she goes right on.